Do you smell that? Do you? It smells like smoke. Is it a fire? There's a fire in the church!
What I like to see out there in the field, teamwork, unity.
This is that call from your plug saying the drought is over. I'm God's most ruthless and wildest soldier, my style ferocious. While y'all was drinking and y'all was smoking, this child was sober. Spitting more fire on tracks than dragons with halitosis. Spreading the game like the rain that never showered Noah. Piling my dough up, them pounds was coming from South Dakota. Had garbage bags of that loudest, strongest, the foulest odor. Had a long road to success, that bitch wasn't right round the corner. Though times got hard, I still vowed to blow up like loud explosions. While counting dough up, stood next to sinners like power forwards. From West Street niggas get murdered before they child could grow up. With hopes he'll come back like Jesus, but highly doubt he'll show up. Hustled with homies from high school, fell out and now it's over. Used to love whips with big rims, so haters we towered over. All white seats inside the Chevy looking like powdered donuts. You should've seen how the crowd would go nuts, they bow before us. I used to dream of being paid like this. Got hella tracks that I done slayed like this. Never thought I'd get out that maze like this. Ain't never changed up, my Montana always stayed like this. See, these other rappers, they ain't made like this. No, you gotta read to turn the page like this. All praise to God, they ain't know that he made grenades like this. And niggas hate, but even Jesus had days like this. Woo! So much fire in the church, the choir had a heat stroke. Youngin' got the streets sold, let my haters deep though. 40 in my peak coat, slide on them like a ski slope. Change them like a remote, place them in that depot. Right now I'm in beast mode, it's like I got a cheat code. I see another side of that door just like a peephole. I keep my guard up cause G.O.D. ain't the author. I wear my pain like it's armor, my battles just made me smarter. A murderer like my father, two straps on me like a farmer. Clip to your head like a barber, I bust your ass like a charter. Come back around like I'm karma, then witnesses getting slaughtered. Take off like Dilly departure, flow hard, that bitch need a carpet. I got a little bitch from Sparta, slid in the walls like a charger. Plus I can have a menage with two sisters like I was Roger. Yeah, both of them wanna do me, they sweat a nigga like Coogee. One black, the other one mixed, call them bitches Scooby and Snoopy. Got groupies trying to pursue me, I'm good, I'll pass on that coochie. Plus lust is the death of duty, I'm grinding till God remove me. When it's go time, I blow mine, I'll be in and out in no time. And that newspaper gon' co-sign that I shows up when it's showtime. I'll kill your ass and then say shit like God said it was your time. If your niggas want it, then mo dime, blow their brains out, I don't mind. Bitch shooting shit like Kodak, niggas used to ask me where the hoes at. I was getting money way before rap, I was hustling, moving drove packs. And I made a decision, all off of my mother's conditions, why I never sold crack. Only giving truth, tell them hold that, touching more souls than a doormat. And I wonder where my life would be if God wasn't on the side of me, responding to me quietly, enhancing my psychiatry. I fight demons daily, baby, Satan still my rivalry, declining all his bribery. The Lord would never lie to me. Fact wins any argument, and you don't have to die to see. I broaden my horizon like I'm watching from the highest tree. My words hold the truth, I got shit locked just like a diary. I put my own cell phone, nigga, I should get a finder's fee. This world is cold, I pour in more, restoring souls, applying heat. The more we know, the more we grow. Now picture hip-hop minus me, they hate behind my back, tiptoe and whisper while the giant sleeps. My videos, they spying creep, see me show love and try to speak. I told my squad it's time to eat, I can't help who ain't grind with me. All honesty and modesty, all while I build my dynasty. What lies beneath disguise, the sheep, the wisest beast. Surprises me. Defined elite, designed with ink, my fine physique looks kind of Greek. My mind's unique, sometimes discreet, and I just want the blind to see that God does not have hiding spots. So nigga, this ain't hide and seek. You only pray to God when you want something, so your bond is weak. I pray to tell him thank you just for blessing me beyond belief. Like him, I'm who they dying to meet. Play games with me, that price is steep. I'm sleeping them like private suites. He'll get shot hepatitis B. Like anything with value, nigga, what's on the inside is key. Righteously I try to be, shine light on that side of me. I spit what I take in, can't keep it down. Like fuck who trying to sleep. Plus fire in the church that's dropped and every rapper died this week. God.
creatures.
Fuck all that talking, let's do it. 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 I pull up on your hoe, knock it down, and I dip. I pull out and bust a couple nuts off of it. Okay, I remain the same, I cannot fly for no bitch. Yeah, I got a few niggas that pop out the rip. I just give them that go and that empty and clear. Can't empty my clip in the movie. I take on your bitch and finesse on her booty. I do that coochie. I can't fuck with niggas. These niggas too goofy. Be all on my tip, all these niggas is goofies. I drink your bitch with the water, jacuzzi. I dive in the puddle and splash on your hoe. I need me a million, my nigga, let's get it. Little nigga, I pick up that check and I fuck all that talking, let's do it. 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 I put on my dick and she too. I'm fucking your bitch and you know it. You loving that bitch and you stupid.
Creatures can.
The one that these niggas don't like. Fuck all that talking, let's get it. I'm working on like signing titties. These bitches ain't with it. I'm counting up hundreds and fifties. Yeah. I left to the bank while picking up cash. Might hop in the Benz, might hop in the jet. Design her bag, her pussy is wet like water splash. Yeah. Fuck all that talking, let's do it. 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 Fuck all that talking, let's do it.
Hey, fuck all that talking, let's do it, my nigga. You goofy. Ducking your bitch, you take it to the moon. Wait, me and other bitches saying, my nigga,
Yeah, you feel me? You already know all the breakfast essentials, my nigga. Yo, what the? Yo, who the fuck? Yo, who the fuck is this new nigga on the box, B?
I can't do that shit, bro. For me, I don't need them that shit, bro. Get at me. Jacquees look better without him, bro. Stupid ass.
Lil me, yeah. Lil me, bad boy. Lil me, yeah. Lil me, can't stop. Bad boy. Lil me, yeah. Bad boy. Lil me. Whoa, what the fuck was that?
I think you need to stop now.
You just passed the limit, my brother. Can't stop, won't stop.